Insert the USB drive. Click Programs. Click Batch Import. Select the programs you want to import. Click Import. Click Favorites. You will see the corresponding programs in the Run interface. Hold the deep well plate with your left hand. Slowly peel off the sealing film with your right hand, taking care to prevent liquid from splashing. Add the samples. Open the chamber door. Place the experimental consumables inside. Click the lighting system in the upper right corner. Select the program to run, and click Run. After the run is complete, remove the magnetic rod sleeve first, then remove the deep well plate. Perform concentration testing on the products.